Don't forget to check out these 3 videos if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to get your entries for the AMP Research Power Steps. Today's the day we go pick up the wheels for Mark. So Mark's here to pick me up because it's on the way. But right here, we have Mark's brand new tire for the build. Boom, look at that. Fury Off-Road 38 by 1550 24s. And they are thick and tall, which is, I think this is a perfect tire. Not gonna lie, this might be the perfect tire for that build. It's just gonna squeeze just right in. It's just, you're gonna barely clear it, I think, which is gonna be perfect. And I've never really been a huge fan of Fury tires, like I'm not gonna lie, just because they've never been true to size in terms of width. But I will say, I'm gonna give them credit. I will say, these are about 15.5 wide. You said it might even be 16 wide.
Yeah, when I measured from the little, I guess, what is this, design on the side, from here to here, I had almost 16 with the
wide. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna, I mean, let's see how they perform. My old Furies, the 35s I had on my LML, they spun a lot in the rain, but this is such a heavy tire, it might not, you know? And I think this is the direction I'm gonna go as well. So what had happened was, Mark and I were probably gonna be on the exact same lift, right? I'm probably gonna be doing the 9-inch McGoy's lift. So I was looking at tires. I didn't want to do 37s. I've always had 37s on my McGoy's lift kit. And Mark's always ran Nato 375s. And I said, this time, I want to run bigger tires. So I started looking, and Fury is the only one that makes 38 by 1550. I was looking at the Nato 38 1350, but that just wasn't wide enough for me. I wanted the height, and I wanted the width. So, found the Fury 38 1550, and I asked Mark, hey, what do you think about these tires? Next thing I know, Mark ordered them. He stole the tires right under me. But I'm glad he did, because it'll really give me an idea on how my truck will turn out, and it'll probably make me get my lift and wheels and tires done quicker than I wanted to.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that, but it's just gonna make me build it sooner, which is gonna be good for you. You know, it's gonna benefit the audience. But yeah, we got a 3.5 hour drive to Nashville, Georgia, I wanna say. It's pretty much like right on the border of, was it Florida or Alabama? Florida? That's good. I hope she says the street name again. Street name is Willacoochee. Maybe she'll say it. Is she gonna say it?
Nope.
Oh man. Oh. It kind of threw me off when she said turn left on Willacoochee Highway.
Proceed 16 miles on Willacoochee Highway.
There we go. There it is. About 3.5 hours later, 4.5 hours. How long has it been? 4 hours?
4 hours.
It's been a minute. 4 hours later, we're at BCR. So they have this side by side, which is really cool, on some custom BCR wheels. I like that color. Maybe I should do yellow on my DURAMAX. Black and yellow. It's like a high vis yellow. What do you guys think? I have a color in mind, but now that I'm looking at this, it looks pretty good. I might do, I don't know, what do you think about this high vis yellow? Like really this good. Yellow. Looks good, right?
Black and yellow.
How would it look on my DURAMAX?
I think it would look good.
Look good? Maybe we might do it. I don't know. 5,000 likes and I'll do it.
The yellow. Bumblebee.
Oh yeah, Bumblebee. Reverse Bumblebee. Are your wheels here? Which one's yours? So the owner was supposed to be here to kind of give us a tour of the building, but he got the Rona, or somebody in his family got the Rona, and he's not sure if he's got it. So he won't be able to meet up with us today, and we won't be able to get to see the factory. But I guess we just gotta figure out which one's yours. And
I'm gonna walk in and go speak with him. I guess tally up and see what we got and open them up.
All right. Is that it?
That would be them.
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
That is them. Well,
Got your name on it? Oh, it is Mark Mark Jeffcoat.
There you go.
Picking up.
Picking up. There you go. Let's see.
Wow. Wow, that is mint. That is mint for sure. Hey, well worth the wait, huh?
Yeah, those are sweet. Those look badass, dude.
Dude, you can't get custom wheels like that. Roofing money. Are you a roofer? Yeah.
Rover. Yep.
Yeah. I hope so. Dude, that's sick. That's got some good weight to it.
Those look good. Oh, look how deep. Holy moly.
I know, that's a deep dish. You're gonna have fun doing dishes.
How are we gonna? Are we standing them up like sideways? And then, or
Let's see.
if you do them sideways, do you have straps? Also, we can no.
I think we'll be all right with that one in there.
And then one sideways and then
Yeah,
one sideways.
I mean, they ain't going nowhere. We'll open that one up. How about that? Open this one up? Yeah, I mean, it don't matter. I can reach it. I can get this.
So yeah, I'll tell you what I do. I just want charger for the wheel.
For the wheels?
Just leave the truck.
The truck?
I guess we'll just walk home.
You want it on top?
Oh, listen
I'm
to
gonna open this up.
Oh,
We'll look at it and take a picture.
okay.
Did you get a good picture of that?
Yeah.
I already got one.
Just make sure the wheel don't just come out.
I gave him to retape it.
As long as there's no extra cost involved.
Open it up and right in.
Oh wow, that's
Perfect.
roofing money. I like that design. I might have to steal that design.
That is cool.
It's like,
It ain't really ain't got no room to go anywhere.
yeah.
Looks
As long as
good.
it's tired, doesn't go side to side. Otherwise, it's gonna. I messed up.
What's that?
Donnie, you got his truck all dirty.
I know.
You can't be doing that stuff. This is a show truck.
It's fixing to be.
I know.
Huh?
It's fixing to be.
It's fixing to be, huh? I just gave you more work.
You saved $400 on shipping, so that was good. Hey, are they 8 lug like mine?
Yep.
The 8 lug?
These are not as well.
All right, quick, guys. Quick, hurry up. Put this in Mark's truck.
Those are 20. Yeah, those are definitely 26. Those are 16 wide, huh? Those are 16 wide.
You think so?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at that lip. That's a 16 wide.
What
Could
is
be.
that over there?
Look
That's
from here to
15.
here. Yeah. See, that's the 16 on the bottom.
So
That's-
these are
Oh, yeah.
that's
That,
definitely.
you think so? You think this is bigger than the 16s that we saw the other day?
This is smaller.
Yeah, this is a 14 wide. That's a
Is it?
16. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe.
I
yeah.
think.
Yeah. Yeah, because the other ones from yesterday, they were like, whoa. Yeah, these are 16.
8 hours later, we are back, exhausted from traveling through the back roads. But I'm going to show you guys the wheel one more time.
And it's got a coating. Yeah. See it? Look. It's got a.
Oh, okay. I see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
They put that protectant on it. This is what me and him do.
So you're going to have to polish it when you get home just to get that
Oh, yeah.
finish out.
Yeah. You see it there too.
Let me show everybody, because what we're looking at here is some of the finishing on it. You let us know, because we're like pretty much new to the polishing wheel world. So if you can see the nick, let's see.
You just need to polish it out.
You guys see that? See those like little swirl marks? Almost like the machine finish. Like right there. My drop stars don't have that. So I guess our question is that something you can sand it down to smooth it out? Yeah, because you can definitely feel the grooves and stuff. Is that something you can sand it down and make it, I guess, flat and get that finish back? Or what do we need to do?
It would be able to, yeah, just right there. That's all you gotta do is hit that. They just didn't hit it.
Yep.
I guess the better question would be asking BCR directly. But the floating center cap is pretty cool. So we might definitely have to do floating center caps on the next wheel setup that we go on the DURAMAX.
It is.
Dang, that does look pretty good.
Yeah.
That wheel.
Mm-hmm.
Whew. That design is one of a kind too. I mean, I don't think you're the first one with that design.
With that one,
and you had to
yes.
alter it, so you're really going to be the only one right now with that design.
Right there. But it's got that, that's what I got said, use that 25 to cut the, because they did polish the back, Donnie.
They hood? Oh yeah, they.
Yeah, they did. As you can see,
Okay.
like you said, see the scratch? Look, ain't that a scratch? I don't know what that is.
Touching too
Ain't
much
it?
too. Yeah, that's her. Like
But-
if you want to take care of these, you have to be very, very gentle.
Somebody.
I would put tape on these sides and just touch that up.
Mm-hmm.
But
It's vague, but they missed it.
Mm-hmm.
and like in some areas you can see it more. Like this one, they left more of it, and this one. And then this one is like almost really good. This one is pretty bad.
But I got a few questions for you.
Other than that, I mean, it looks flawless, right?
Yep. Other than that, it's just
Mm-hmm.
and it's only one.
Yeah. But all the wheels are kind of like that. Do the whistle again too? There you go. That's how you do
It
it.
would always be in place.
I know.
Like when you mount the wheel, you have to mount it facing down, and it will always be there.
Could you imagine having that logo in the middle?
That'll be sweet.
Right?
Yeah.
All right. So now that we got the wheels up next, truck will get dropped off, and the build officially begins. So he's dropping his lift kit off at the powder coating place. I'm not going to tell you guys what color just yet because you're going to have to wait until we start documenting the actual build, and then you guys will find out then. We might be overthinking the finish on the wheel, but I don't know. Let us know in the comments below if that's normal or not. Let us know if we're overthinking or if that finish needs to be improved. But that is it for this video. Stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like and leave a comment below on what you guys think of the build so far.